If you want to record the screen on Samsung Galaxy A17, then in that case we need to download a screen recorder, for example from the Play Store, because unfortunately there is no built-in screen recorder. So let's go to the Play Store, let's search, and we can simply type screen recorder. There we go. And as you can see, we have multiple different apps that we can use. In my case, I'm just gonna go for this one, and I'm gonna show you how to set this one up. Of course, there are, as you saw, multiple different apps that we can try to use. So go ahead and try them out in case you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you for some reason. There we go. So once it is installed, we're gonna open it and let's check out how to set it up. So if you have this premium free trial or something, then we can just close it by tapping on this X in the top left corner. We need to enable the permission to enable the floating ball, so let's do this. Let's press enable. Now over here we need to scroll down to find the X recorder, there we go, and let's enable this option. Let's go back. Let's allow notifications, press consent over here, and now we can start recording by pressing this record button. We can also grant the permission to record audio. Now we can choose to record the entire screen or just a single app. So let's go ahead and let's start recording the whole screen. We have a countdown. We can also start now, and there we go. So now we are apparently recording. Over here on the right side we have the time. We can tap on it in order to find different options, different buttons, and there we go. So as you can see, we can even draw something on this screen if you want to, so that's pretty cool as well. And let's actually erase that. If you want to stop recording, you can tap on this floating ball and press the square button over here. Let's also check notifications here. We can also just stop pretty easily. And there we go. Of course, we have ads in the meantime, but we should be able to just tap outside of it to close it. And let's just skip that. We don't need to give feedback. And that is all. So as you can see now, we can just close it so that we don't have this floating ball anymore. And you can find the app, of course, somewhere in the app drawer or maybe even the home screen. And you should be able to easily find it. Let's see if we can also add it to quick settings here, because sometimes we can do so. And there we go, we have X recorder, so this is the app. So we can easily run the app, we can start it from quick settings instead of going to the app. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.